way. She's cased. So day 2, boys, in Lake Parlin. We went out for a little rip this morning to Coburn Mountain. I'm gonna put clips in from that. Now we're going out for a second little trip. We're gonna go to one of our off-trail spots where we like to go, and we're gonna go play a little bit, see if we can find some deep snow for you guys, see how the 2021 Polaris Assault handles with the 146 Matrix. So stay tuned for that. Thanks again for all the support, guys. If you want, go down below and check out my merch. Really appreciate it. Otherwise, guys, enjoy some. All right, we're going up the Coburn Mountain to the summit. Start from the bottom. Take you up to the top with me. Probably gonna be a little rough. They said that he groomed it Saturday night, but there was like hundreds of sleds here yesterday. On Sunday, today's Monday, so we shall see. Look at it all the way up there. Closer to the top, almost at 3,000 feet right now. See the trees, bunch of snow on them. Started to snow up here. 3,200 feet. Look at that. We made it. Coburn Mountain. Way up here. It's like 3,200 feet. You can oversee all of Maine. Look at that. Windy up here. Huh. Yeah, bud. All right, let's try to get out of here. You ever held Cooter? Whew. Wow, boys. I don't know if you're going to be able to see how steep that actually was. A little steep. Whew, I should have put on my tether. There's a rock there. Holy fuck. the tiniest bend in the world.
I can beat it back with my hammer back. Bring it back to the house.
That's good. That's good. I mean, well, just the carbide's fucked, which
He's brand new.
I could ride that. He ran it like that. Dapper. Whew. There we go. Whew. This is where I almost died last year. That's where I almost died last year. No, I went right there between those two. Now we have to get a big wheelie right here. There's no way. Whew. Here he goes. Oh yeah, Cooter. What's up here? Oh, all right. Let's see if we can't make this. Whew. Oh, Cooter. All right, found another spot. I don't think it's been touched. Oh, yeah. Woo! I don't think it's been touched in a while. The jump here. Woo! Oh yeah. Woo! Holy shit. That was insane. Holy crap. Holy shit, that's a drop. Oh yeah, Cooter, getting some air. Yeah, bud. Did you see that? I almost didn't make it. I thought I was going in the trees. Oh, yeah. Woo. Let's get some big air on this one. Woo. Yeah, Cooter. No. good. Well, looks like I'm going back to the truck. Yeah, I'm going to the truck. There's RTA on.
Oh!
When did that happen? Just now. There's a lock right there.
I guess we're going back to the truck.
Well, it looks like I'm done going back to the truck, boys. She's cased. Twisted the thing too. So you guys have fun, I guess. I'm just going.
Go with you, bud.
Why? You guys got all that you can ride. You guys want to keep riding? I'm going back, but well, this sucks, boys. Travel back to the house with a blown out arm. Not fun. There's so many landmines under the snow, it's ridiculous. We got about a foot and a half less snow than we did last year, so the landmines are just sticking out way more, unfortunately. Luckily I got one back at the truck that I had bought before I came up, so now if I hit an A-arm on the right or the left, I'm fucked. At least it was the left one, because I already have an A-arm at home.